Hey guys, we're back again talking about inflammation. This time it's the bad. Now, if you've had chronic pain, you're experiencing bad inflammation. An injury that doesn't heal, that just stays kind of festering, that's an inflammatory response that does not go through the proper pathway of starting an injury, resolving an injury, and getting back to normal. You stay stuck in the inflammatory phase. Now, we do things in our life that promote getting stuck in the inflammatory phase. Primarily, it's what we eat. Now, the food choices we make and the things we put in our body will have the largest effect on whether or not your inflammation comes down or keeps going up. So what are the biggies? The obvious stuff: alcohol, tobacco, and processed sugars. Those three will wreak more havoc on most of us than anything else. Now, if you've already started to eliminate those and reduce them, the next line that we look for: processed foods, things that come in a bag, box, or a package that can sit on the shelf for months on end. It's going to get you in trouble. So as we've said in previous videos, we want to stick to fresh, whole food because it has such a huge impact. Now, as you look at anything that can last on a shelf, if it can be there for months, we want to stay away from it. If it's coming in the vice category, we want to stay away from it. And this can really have a huge impact on your pain. So if you have any specific questions about, is this potentially bad, let us know, because unfortunately, what's bad for you might not be bad for your neighbor, and it can break down to little things go a long way for each of us. So let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day.